Lee Health's Family Medicine Residency program is helping train the next generation of physicians right here in Southwest Florida.
This has been a great thing for our community to get more primary care providers into the community, to get more physicians, more specialists as well that are trained here, that care about the people here.
Residency is a 3-year hands-on training, giving young doctors experience across a variety of departments.
So it's very multidisciplinary, and I think it's a really good way for us to kind of get exposure in all the healthcare systems.
Having experience in different areas in the system really gives some of our residents an edge as they become primary care physicians in town, and they understand the dynamics of the system and how to help their patients navigate the healthcare system.
When residents see patients, the case is also reviewed by their supervising physician.
You kind of get two physicians for the price of one, and these physicians are right on the cutting edge. They're learning all of the latest research, all of the latest information.
Dr. Lee Coghill says working alongside specialists helps elevate everyone around them.
The residents ask questions of the specialists. Why are you doing it this way? Why are you doing things that way? And it challenges us as physicians to say, maybe there is a better way to do these things, and it keeps us on our toes, which is something I really enjoy about working with the residents.
Increasing access to care while ensuring high-quality training. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.